That's a really great question and a dangerous situation. A friend with benefits FWB is someone with whom you have a friendship and also have casual sex with him or her. But it's understood that his is not a relationship, or a situation that might lead to dating or marriage. I, unfortunately, cannot have sex with someone I don't care for. I can do one-night stands, but I have to be highly turned on to do that. If it's more than one date, I'm likely going to find myself getting involved. It's easy to say FWB, and maybe for some people it's possible, but I do find my heart has a will of its own. It may not be the kind of involvement that leads to a long-term relationship, but I have to be perfectly honest with myself and admit that if I have sex more than one time with you, I'm going to get involved. My sexual relationships are connected to my heart chakra. I've fallen a little in love with every man I have ever slept with. And although that can be a challenge for various reasons, I like myself this way. And my heart thanks me too.